Yes, hello Sam. This is Ray, and I wanted to go over your new website with you. I wanted to go over how you can change the content of the website. It's actually very simple. This is the home page of your website. Keep in mind there are some things that you cannot change yourself, and that's to protect the integrity of the website and to prevent any errors from happening. One of the things that you cannot change is the home page. The home page is really made up of graphics and custom text and excerpts here on the bottom in this footer area. So the home page you cannot change. If you do want to change anything on the home page, just make sure to email the support department and that'll be done for you. However, all of the separate pages of the website you can change very easily yourself, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. Let's go to, for example, services we provide, maintenance, and residential. Okay, so let's go to the residential page, and I'm going to show you how to edit that page. So this is the residential page, and what you want to do is you want to go to your back panel. I've already sent you the logins, so I'm not going to repeat it here. And you enter your username and password, and once you log in you're going to be presented with a very simple interface. On the left side you're going to have all of your pages of your website listed, and let's give it a second to load, and you can see here, so you have all of the separate pages of your website here under all pages. So if you click on that, you'll see all of the pages of your website. And so basically any page that you want to edit, for example the residential page, simply go to residential and click on edit. You don't really want to worry about any of these other options here. I would leave those alone. Just simply click on edit page and you'll be presented with the visual editor. And if you've ever typed up a letter in Word, you'll notice that this should look very familiar to you. Always make sure that you have 2 rows of buttons here. If not, click here and the second row will drop down, and you have all your typical buttons like bold, italicized. You can insert different pictures if you like. So if you want to replace the picture that I have here, you can simply select new pictures from your computer and replace the ones that I have. So really it's just like as if you were typing up a letter in Word, and you will simply add text. You can highlight text, you can make it bold, you can make it different colors. Now keep in mind, anything that you see in brackets, leave alone. Do not edit any of that, because these brackets are specific programming code that allows for the features on this page, such as this drop down feature that shows everything that comes with the 60-minute tune-up, or everything that comes with the 60-minute furnace service. If you notice, I have this in a nice little drop down feature to keep everything nice and neat, and this is done through this little snippet of code. So if you're editing a page on your website and you notice anything that's in brackets, completely leave alone. You can add your own text around it, either above or below it, but do not edit any of the text or any of the information in brackets. Other than that, you're pretty much free to do whatever you want. You can notice that if you go here, you can make certain things larger. You can make the heading larger or smaller. And simply just go ahead and play around with editing the website, and you'll get familiar with it really quick. Now once you're done editing the website, you want to go here and you want to simply click update. You don't want to change any of these settings at all. You want to leave these blank. Simply do your editing here. You can change the name of the page even if you like. Once you're done, simply click update. Now once you click update, you'll notice that the changes take effect immediately. Alright, so if we refresh this page, you'll see that the changes we just did right here, add text, okay, was was updated immediately. So the changes take effect as soon as you click update. So let's go ahead and let's delete that and return it back to what it was. All right. What I would suggest, and here's a tip, let's go ahead and refresh, and you can see that we've deleted that text that we just added. So you can see it's really simple to edit pages of your website. All right. What I would do is if you're going to edit a page on a website, make sure that you always are in the visual editor. Always be in the visual editor. Okay. But here's a tip. If you open up Notepad on your computer, if you go here to Notepad, I'm going to show you a tip that'll help you out in case you ever make any changes that you aren't happy with. What you want to do is you want to go to HTML. Okay, you want to click on the HTML. You want to highlight everything, copy it, okay, and then paste it into your Notepad. And then go right back into the Visual tab. You do all of your editing in the Visual tab. Never do any editing in HTML. But let's say, for example, you do something you don't like. All right, let's say you do something you don't like, and you want to revert back to the original state of the page that you were editing. Okay, let's say you add a picture that throws something off, or let's say you do something that you don't like. You can always go back to your Notepad, copy the original, go to HTML, or you have to be in HTML to do this, and paste it, and then click update. And basically what you're doing is you're saving a backup of the code of the page into Notepad. In case you do anything that you don't like, you can always revert back to it. And that's just a tip. That's just something that I think would be helpful for you to do as a precautionary method until the first few times you really edit the pages of your website and feel comfortable enough doing, not having to do that. But basically that's how you edit the pages of your website. Any page that you want to edit, for example the finance programs, you simply go to the finance programs page, click edit, and you can begin editing any of the content yourself very easily. But again, my tip to you is that you copy everything that's in the HTML box, put it in Notepad, save it. In case you do something that you want to erase, you can always go back to the way it was. And any change that you make will take effect as soon as you click update. Again, any of the other options like below here, I would leave alone. Leave alone any of these options. What you're going to simply be doing is editing the name of the page, the content here. Make sure you always have 2 rows of icons, and you can always click here and drop down the second row. Make sure you're always editing in the Visual tab, and then click update when you're done, and it's as simple as that. And anything you do back here will take effect on the front page of your new website. Now let's go over the discounts and specials. I'll show you how to edit what is on the discounts and specials page. This discounts and specials page basically is made up of different graphics, different coupon pictures of what you offer, okay? And you can edit these very simply by going here to Gallery, go to Manage Gallery, and when you go to Manage Gallery you want to click on Specials, okay, because these coupons in your special coupons here on this page are managed through this gallery. And you can very easily delete a coupon if you're no longer offering it. Or if you want to add a new coupon, let's say you want to add another special coupon, make sure that all of your coupons that you add to this specials page are exactly 500 by 250 pixels in size. That's 500 width, 250 in height, okay? And you can always click and view, You can always go here and click and view what the size is, but if you go here it'll tell you that all of the coupons need to be 500 by 250. So if you want to add a new coupon, it's very simple. Simply go to Add Gallery or Add Images. It's pretty self-explanatory the way I've set up this back panel for you. You want to simply click on Add Gallery, Add Images. We'll let this page load. And it's very simple. If you have a new coupon that you want to upload, you simply choose the gallery that the new coupon is going to go under, which is Specials, and then you browse to your computer where the coupon graphic is that you want to add, and you simply add it that way. Alright? And once you select the coupon graphic, you click Upload, and it will add it to this scrolling coupons gallery here. So I've just showed you how to delete coupons from this gallery, and you delete the coupons by simply going here, selecting the gallery, which is called Specials, and you can delete any of these coupons that you no longer want to offer. And if you want to add new coupons, you simply go to Add Gallery excuse me, or Add Images. You select the current gallery, which is Specials, and you select the coupon that you want to add. Very, very simple. So that pretty much concludes this video. I've shown you how to edit the pages of your website, and I've shown you how to edit and manage the coupons on your discounts and specials page. Anything that you want changed on the sidebar areas of your website, please email the support department, because those are not editable by you, and it's because everything needs to be very exact as far as the size and the content that goes here. But we'll be happy to do that for you anytime. And remember also, the home page you cannot edit yourself due to the fact that it's pretty much made up of different blocks of graphics and special coding. However, you now know how to edit all of the different pages of your website, and also how to edit your discounts and specials coupons. And that pretty much will allow you to edit about 90% of the website yourself very easily, and we'll be happy to assist you in any other area. Thank you so much, and this concludes this video.